The Forex broker is giving away up to 4,050 USD to its new users, but I'm going to show you how to receive only up to 20. You may receive more than that if you can, but for me I can only give you information on how to receive up to just 20 USD for you to trade freely, and you can withdraw the profit that you're going to make from this broker. You can see the broker have all the information that you need right here on the first page, and you have to do first, you just have to read through this information. You can also download the app, whether using iPhone or using an Android. You can go to Apple Store or you can go to Google Play Store to download the app. It's the same as the website, but the app may be very easy to use on your phone. As you can see, the price is listed here. I just want to give you a few information. The first step, you have to create an account, and here you buy crypto and so information, but we don't need that right now. We just want to look down here and see all the information provided by the broker. We know the broker is quite great. The broker, it has been there in the industry for some time and well trusted by a lot of companies. A lot of companies trade with this crypto broker. And all you have to do first, you have before you register here on the app, guys, you have to click on the three parallel lines here to see what's there on the offers, because we know there are a lot of offers there that we want to look at before we just go dive deep in registering to this broker. I'm just pulling up here, guys. You can see we want to look down and see what are the promotion that we can find on the promotion pages. I want to click on the promotion page, and as you can see, we have welcome bonus, the referral bonus, the VIP bonus, but we want to click on the welcome bonus because we are very new to the broker. But all we need here is the no deposit bonus, guys. We don't need all the bonus that are offered, because we know there are millions of bonuses that can be offered by this broker. As you can see, we have a 25% sign up bonus, and we don't need that if we don't have money to deposit, because here we are asked to deposit at least $7 or something. The first one is going to be down here, guys. The first $5 is going to be a social media voucher, whereby you are going to follow Forex Twitter account and retweet their pinned tweet and get $5 spot voucher. All you have to do is just click submit here, but only after you're registered on the broker, guys. That's the first $5 no deposit bonus. The second one is going to be by then. After having $5, you have to follow this copy trading voucher. You just have to follow one person who you think might be a better person to copy trade. Once you follow that person, you can receive $5. That is already 10 USD, and then you have this basic deposit voucher for $10 by depositing a 50, which is quite a bigger amount. We cannot afford to deposit that 50 USD. That's on my side. I don't know about you. You can see there the second one is about learn and the reward. This one you are going to complete quizzes, just giving you quiz that you can complete, and you can get the rewards just by completing quizzes, which is quite a very rewarding thing to do. You can complete these quizzes within minutes. They're just simple multiple choice questions and type of quizzes that you can answer to receive the bonus. And you can also see the challenge task here, advanced deposit. You can also complete the KYC verification within 7 days after registration, deposit crypto or purchase, and then you can receive the bonus up to 4,000. And also another spot trading voucher. Make a single spot trade which is bigger than 100 or equal to, and get a $10 voucher also. And you can see there are a lot of vouchers given here, guys. A lot of vouchers that you can receive. All I want you to do, because I may not give you all the information that you need to understand this, but all I want you to do is come to the website, come to the broker. I'm not an affiliate to this, but these are the information that you guys need. Just come to the broker here. Probably you can just go search Forex.com. Just search Forex.com and come to the broker. Read for information yourself. You can see all the type of information that are provided right here. You can see all this. You can learn and earn. You can earn just by clicking earn here. Forex earn, Forex saving, Forex prediction, and Forex launch pool. All this type of information is that you need to make money, guys, to start trading, because what you need is the startup for you to start trading, making money with this not deposit bonus, guys. as you can see, I have no other information to give right now. You just can come straight to the website, test the broker, and read the information for yourself. And if you feel that this information is very useful, don't forget to give us a like on our video. And thank you. See you again on the next video.